Maximize your packing space with Amazon Basics compression bags. Say goodbye to overstuffed suitcases. Amazon Basics vacuum compression bags make travel simpler by shrinking bulky items like clothes, towels, and travel pillows. With up to 80% more space, you can pack everything you need without the extra luggage. This 12-pack includes assorted sizes: jumbo, large, medium, and small, perfect for packing in suitcases, closets, or even under beds. Whether it's winter coats or delicate linens, these durable, airtight bags protect your belongings and keep them fresh. No vacuum? No problem. The included hand pump makes compressing on the go quick and easy. Plus, the clear design helps you find items without unpacking everything. Packing smarter has never been this convenient. Made with thick, tear-resistant materials, these heavy-duty bags are built to last. Double zip seals and triple seal valves keep airtight protection intact, ensuring your items stay space-efficient throughout your journey. Don't stress about space. Grab the Amazon Basics vacuum compression bags today and experience travel like never before. Lightweight, compact, and reusable, these bags are your ultimate packing companion. Click the link below now to redefine travel efficiency, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with more product reviews.